In welding, even well-prepared workpieces can move or distort under heat. These inconsistencies often lead to welds missing the seam, rework, or poor quality joints. That's where seam tracking in SmoothTool comes in, making your welds more reliable, even when conditions aren't perfect. Seam tracking is available as an add-on module in SmoothTool. When paired with selected compatible power sources, it supports standard welds, pipe welds, and surfacing applications, giving you flexibility across multiple welding tasks. Let's begin by adding a standard weld. In this example, we'll deliberately teach the weld slightly off position so you can see seam tracking in action. Check the weld in SmoothTool's 3D universe and perform a dry run. Notice how the program path is slightly offset from the actual seam, exactly the scenario seam tracking is designed to correct. Now run the live weld. Seam tracking dynamically adjusts in real time, keeping your torch perfectly aligned with the seam, even when the workpiece isn't. With seam tracking in SmoothTool, you reduce errors, avoid costly rework, and ensure consistent weld quality. Easy to set up, flexible for different applications, and powerful enough to handle real-world variations.